Ako tayo dalawa.
Kitang kupal oh.
Ready na, sabi mo.
Ano sinabi ko?
Parang boots na ito, Janel yung bumabalik.
Miss, Miss,
Ano eh.
Sila. May side.
Baka may hinihintay pa yun.
Man pa yung panda.
Alvin. Nakaharge.
Kaya lang yan. May hinihintay pa sila niyan. Talagay na yan.
Araw-araw, iba-iba roll ko ah.
Hindi ka nagsa-sign up eh. Ganun talaga.
17.
Isa lang kalaban
Eh,
bro.
17 pala sila eh. Kala ko di ano lang, 13.
16.
Takot ka ba? Takot ka ba?
16.
Kung ano nung pakialam ko kahit mamatay ako mamatay.
16 to 17 na sila, tapos may hinihintay pa. Hello?
Hindi ko namin i-rigir.
Sige, sa atin na tayo.
Yung punta nga kayo southeast, then low kayo over the wall north.
Wait.
Over the wall north isa.
Ready ah.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall north now. Bell pop. Bell pop. Careful. Pull back. Away.
Alaga.
3 seconds, Zoro. Same spot ba?
Dago.
Ready ah.
Careful ah. Wait.
Gate, 50%.
Per main gate northeast ng gate. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast ng gate. Then pull back pa. Pull back pa. Almost. Nice. Ano. Careful ah. Ilang.
Natin.
Shipper. Southwest. Muntik na kayo sa dulo guys.
3%.
Pag bumumog talaga kayo dun.
Ready, Zoro. Pwede kami mag-chess.
Wait lang, wala ko.
Basta lang kukul.
Walk chess.
Kapatag.
Test kami ah.
Lumalabas sila. Lumalabas sila. Dali.
Yari going out.
Ito kayo
Going
sa may
west side sila.
northeast. Bend sa may northeast gate. Ready. Bend sa northeast gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Layo pa namin.
Ang layo.
Layo pa namin.
Sa inyo. Bagal.
Left.
Dev. Patay ako. Patay gago. Ikaw rin.
Robert, cross.
Wala ako.
Hold.
Wait.
Ano na,
Yung
Remo?
DPS.
Remo.
On the gate.
Remo.
Northwest. On the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Come back. Stick southwest. Stop on me.
35%.
Lalim ko, Albus.
Yo, come southwest. Come to the tower. Then we're gonna hit straight north. Wait. Ready, straight north. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 straight north now.
Make it obvious, Dita.
Oh!
Come south.
Make it obvious, Dita.
Sino yung duling?
Come chest. Come southeast. Don't see the
Diyan na si Frost.
Gigi lang, tuloy lang. May kinig ako sa'yo.
Wait. We're gonna hit straight north over the wall on the chest. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the wall. Back up. Okay.
Anong the
Left
pack?
front.
Gulang sa'yo.
Alright. Come west. Walk.
Paalaga lang.
Go northwest tower.
Wait,
Then we're gonna hit
wait,
straight
wait,
northeast. Okay. Wait. Straight northeast now on the first gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Heal.
Nice, bigil doon.
Dalawa ka.
Naman. Stuck on me.
Paalaga ako.
Ano?
Kulang.
Wait. Hold.
Hindi kaya yung Arthur ko.
Oh. Go, come chest again.
Looking.
Left front. Shit. So look, straight north over the wall. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the wall. Yun na, Perch. Uy.
Kampi kami.
Arcade. Wait, come west. Come southwest. Ditang stop lang. Come southwest.
Wala, di na pala.
Oh, QW side. Wait,
pwede
yo,
yan,
look,
pwede
inside
yan.
of us ready. 5,
Overextended.
4, 3, 2, 1, inside lang. Andiyan lang yan. Patay nyo, piso.
Pakulit ka.
Ayun ka boy.
No, superhero.
East side.
Sila.
Okay.
Going inside. Wait,
South is sila. Inside na.
I'll hold. Stuck on me.
May stoppers sila ng north ata. Wala na, clear.
Yo, look. Wait. Look shallow ditang east side ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 east side now.
Nice
Come back
hit.
west. Careful ditang. Hold. Long CD.
Over the wall sa southeast ng chest.
Alright, wait. We're gonna look straight. Wait, after the bedrock
Okay, pwede.
Northeast over the wall already. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Kill.
Papil ako.
Come back west. Up the front. Left now. RG on me. Shit. Wait.
Itong overextended sa may harap lang ng D-tanks nila.
Okay, wait.
Huli ko.
Yo, look. Shallow lang on the D-tanks. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa J lang. Come back east, come east. Lakad east. Yo, come east, guys. East. I'm on the east.
Hiwalay to sa Zerg nila. Hiwalay sa Zerg nila.
Come east.
Hiting.
We're gonna hit north. Look
Jeep
shallow.
sa guard.
Shaper.
Oh my.
On the shaper now ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Come back southwest. Southeast.
Namatay na yun,
Hindi, patay yung occult niya. Yung occult niya yung namatay.
Steady.
Isang healer.
Pari si Rafael.
Boy,
Click back again.
Lambot yan si Skin. Naka ano siya eh.
They're just clearing guards ah.
Weapon.
Yung isang Zerg.
Kasi
Last
puro tank.
Last guard. Hindi,
Look northwest over the wall ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest over the wall. Come back. Patch. Come east. Come back east.
Hill Frost.
Come back east.
Layo.
Come back east.
Maabot.
Shaper again.
Go na GH.
Ginii ka, butin lang.
Click east. Come southeast.
Pushing sila.
Southeast.
Taking up.
Look. Inside lang. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now.
Engage na sila.
Come southwest. Lahat southwest.
Balik kayo.
Wait, never mind. Go back.
Balik kayo.
Not yet.
Mawala sila.
Tara,
Meron na sila.
Wait. You ready?
Zoro ready.
GH.
Wait. Everything north. 5, 4, 3, turn pass now. North. Then kite southwest, then northwest. Pass. Then north, kite northwest. Kite northwest, guys. Keep kiting. Shaper. Keep kiting.
3 seconds. Ready ako, Zoro.
Oh, keep kiting pa. Come northwest. Okay, walk southeast. Yo. Wait. Come west. Come northwest. Umangat sila. Come northeast. Yo,
Holding
look.
sila inside.
Shallow northeast. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast.
Nagbabas ilang tank nagbabas.
Come west side. Come northwest.
No one is bashing right now.
Natin.
Sarado pa din.
Meron sa chariot ah.
89%.
Tayo okay. Pero pa ilang ba yung nawala sa DPS?
73%.
Ready, Zoro.
Kami side. Ilan percent? Yo, look over the wall southeast.
50%.
Over the wall southeast. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall southeast na.
Silence by.
Sige, okay lang. Ilang percent?
Yes, 40.
Dev.
5 seconds, Zoro. Ready na.
Shaper.
Aray.
Agal mo.
Ready.
Thank you sa Ken. Salamat.
Hold lang. Same spot. Over the wall southeast. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall southeast na.
Ang silence ulit by.
Wait lang. Def na ako. Mamamatay ako.
Hold. Cycle on me, Freddy. Come west. Pop your boots. Come west. Loud west. Hold. Look shallow. East side, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. Come back west. Southwest.
Be early.
Click southwest. Up the stairs. And then southeast. Come southeast. Pop your boots. Uwi na tayo. Nine here. Come southeast.
Hindi na ako nakatanga.
Tat.
Harap pa.
Pwede kayo mag-north.
So, anong take? Nag-improve ang DPS. Which is okay. Nakakapatay. I mean, may tumutumba.
Sobrang dami lang din nila pre. Pero kaya.
Wala naman. Yung
Yung
una
si
lang kasi
Shaper,
talaga,
isang
may
claim sa
PPT na naman tayo eh.
Sino may boot dun sa ano?
Yun
Isang
naman
place
ang
lang siya
problema.
shaper. Nasa area ko.
Hindi nakikita.